Hi Dave, I've just updated the page in your site there. I've put it back up on the server. I've actually kind of rebuilt it. It's working now. The only thing is there's a couple things with the I'm not sure why the Numo box isn't dropping down. Problem is this menu and that. I mean, I've used them in the Super Slideshow before, but not this one for Blacktop. So it wasn't really tested out for this page. Basically, it was just a full screen slideshow page, and really that's all there was to it. It wasn't designed to have other stuff on it, although it looks fantastic. Just trying to figure out why, but I've figured out, like, I've rebuilt it so that it actually works. When I say rebuilt, there was a couple of pieces of code that were sort of this was, let me explain here. The header class that you have here, all this was actually up here above the body tag. Okay, it needed to be below the body tag. That was sort of big problem number one. And then I just updated, went through and made sure all the links were in the right spot and things like that. Let me try one more thing here. Hang on a sec. Anyways, what I was going to suggest for this page at least is we can put the menu bits and pieces right in here. This is an include, but we can also just copy the code in here manually. And I would suggest putting any Numo stuff right in here as a straight line. So you'd have your store link over here and the blogs over here. That way the menu up here, because like I said, there's a couple of issues with it which I'm not really sure about why. Like I said, I didn't test this menu out with this particular page, so I'm scratching my head, but I'm taking a look at it. I'm just scratching my head at this point, trying to figure it out. But anyways, that's what I was going to suggest next, is maybe we can just put all the links in here in line, and then there won't be a conflict of things going on up here. So